Mali yata ako ah. Tingin ko nga. Wala, mali nga ako ng hati.
Maganda. Ako na sumasaya. Ayaw na yung pangalan meron mo dyan A. Ayun A.
Open ka.
Tas L.
Baka na na A.
Pangalan ko. L. Meron ba dyan L? Ito L. Ano naman susunod? T. T. Ito T.
Ay, pupot! Ay, pupot!
Gulat pa ako ah. H.
May purple pa bang star?
Ha? Wait lang, nasa na yung store ko? May purple? Meron. Purple. Meron akong purple na store. Ano ba tayo na? Dapat may pangalan pa.
Okay na to.
Ha?
Okay na to.
Baka pag nawala.
Hindi
oh.
Ikaw lang naman may ganito.
Ha?
Ikaw lang naman may ganito. Oh, ikaw lang may ganyan. Oh.
Pag may nakita ako, anong gagawin?
It's okay.
Tapos pag nawala, hindi gagawa naman tayo ulit. Mama,
Opo.
8 pa? Mahirap. Mali pala, kabila. Ang mas masaya. Hilig ako sa bracelet. Na? Mali. Dapat patayo.
Ay! Ay, naputol.
Meron pa naman, Wala na akong bracelet.
Sabi mo, meron pa.
Ay. Gulat pa ako sa'yo eh.
Ako din nagulat eh, naputol eh.
Hindi ko makakalap.
Nalaglag na, wala na.
Meron pa naman eh! Meron pa naman po. Wala na, andun na yun sa alalim. Dito o sa kabilang alalim, tas andun o sa Jera box ko. Hindi ako. Mali pala ako? Di pala?
Okay.
Di, kanina nilalagay ito. Mali ako. Ito oh.
Opo.
May I dito oh. Mali ako. Di pala to. Kanina pa. Biliktad. Alay. It's good. Ayan lang nakita mo, ma'am.
Opo.
Ay pala. Ikaw na yun, sakit. Ay, sakit kong kanila. Wala, ayan na po.
Ay,
Sugat.
subo.
Mas sakit day. Pinalito ko. Mas sakit. Tama. Kamutan na lang natin. Ma'am. Na! Sinubo mo na yung dugo.
Okay, tinanggal ko ginanyan ko. Tapos,
Konti na lang ng dugo. Ang sakit ng kanina. Ne? Lalo ah. Saan yung na-pinch? Ayun, magkaparehas. Ito na-pinch. May wala na magkaparehas.
Ayan na. Ayan na.
Hmm? Hmm? Ang sakit. Igamot ka muna natin. Ang sakit.
Bakit?
Ayaw ko maghiwalay kayo.
Hindi. Niloloko ko lang si daddy mo.
Mali pala ako.
Saan nang?
Ito pala, mali.
Bakit naman?
Dapat dito yun. Oh, mali ako. Dapat magkaparehas. Star. Dapat magkaparehas. Para magkaparehas. Hindi, kahaba. Ma'am, pagkatapos ko dito, i-try mo isuot sa akin. Ma'am. Ina nga inaabo? Ha? Ina nang yabo? Bakit ba? No?
We've placed our beads on
Ay,
25 centimeters of 0.7mm elastic, and I just give it a pre-stretch. Now we overlap our cords with this left side cord on the top, and then we can bring this top cord around that right hand side on full loop, making the first little twirl
Yellow.
here. And now we lay the right side on top of the left side, and bring that around the left side 2 full loops round. Now don't pull your knot tight just yet. I'm going to show you a little trick I use to get that knot tight. So you should have a little knot like this one with two layers and a sort of hole in the middle. Now you want to find something small that you can poke in the middle of our knot there. So even a pin.
Ma'am, igamot mo na nga
I'm
ako.
using a toothpick today
Ay,
just to
pala.
show you, but even a small pin would be okay. So placing it in the knot in between the two twists. Also on the threads on the bead side of the knot as well, just pulsing that pressure on and off to pull that knot nice and tight. You should be able to see now if your knot is secure by gently pulling the beads apart. If it loosens and bubbles out, you need to keep tightening it. But if it stays in place, then you're good to go and you can cut your threads off and enjoy your bracelet. Hey guys, in this video we're making the best elastic knot for thicker threads, so 1mm threads and upwards. Bigger threads can be really meters, about 8mm gemstone beads and upwards. First up we want to pre-stretch your elastic. This is super important with the larger threads. So stretching it out and pulling that pressure on and off to give it a really good stretch. I place a clip on the end so I don't lose my beads. Then I place all my beads on, so I'm using 8mm amethyst beads, and I'll beat it down to about 8mm. So moving down cords with this left side cord on the top. Now we bring this top cord around that right side cord.
Ma'am, try mo na nga isukat sa akin.
Twist in the middle. Now comes the complex part of our knot, but please
Ma'am.
stick with me. I'm going to show you 2 times. Now bring this left side cord around and under itself to form a little loop. Now gently holding that loop there in my left hand. Now
Ma'am,
with our
pasukat
right
mo
side
na sa
cord,
akin.
we're going to bring that up the
Isukat
loop
mo na nga sa
and then around the
akin.
back of the other cord. It's a little bit fiddly, but try and hold that loop
Naku,
in place.
Kasha.
And bring this cord
Kasha,
around the back of the
itali
other
mo na
cord.
yan.
And then place it back
Kasha.
down the loop. So it's quite simple, but it is quite fiddly. It is actually a bowline knot, if you know how
Mamaya
to tie one of
igunting mo
those.
yan.
So you've got quite a complex little knot now, and we've got this little twist down underneath. So we want to try and gently pull this original twist down,
No.
so there's no slack in your elastic. And then we can gently pull this top, more complex
Wag!
knot down onto the
Pakamat
original
mo
twist. Pulling that knot down nice and tight and
Nakagawa ko
working
lang
with it
yan
until
para
it's secure.
maputol.
I'll just show you the knot again quickly.
Kasha na yan sa akin. Ang galing ka.
Top,
Ang galing ka nga lang, Kasha sa
once to form the twist.
Ah!
Wait lang po. Ano tayo ng ano?
Now position yourself so you can bring this left side cord around and under itself to form a loop. Holding that gently, then with our right side cord, we bring it up the loop, around the back of the other cord, and then place it back down the loop. And then pulling your around the back of the other cord, and then place it back down the loop. And then pulling your knot down nice and tight around the back of the other cord,
Nasaan ito
place it back down
nakalagayan?
the loop. And then pulling your knot down nice and tight, and then place it back down the loop. And then pulling your knot down nice and tight, and working all the ends to pull that knot in secure. I'll swap back to the original bracelet to show you how I do that. Now we want to pull our elastic cord in every direction out from the knot. So pulling on both of these ends and then pulling on the bracelet side of the knot as well. Working that knot gently and pulsing that pressure.
Nasaan na kaya yun yung pink?
This
Ma'am,
is the
yung
best
lagayan.
technique I've found for these bigger
Ma'am,
threads because this knot has so
nasaan
many
na
little
kaya yun yung
connections in
pink?
the middle.
Yung
And it helps
lagayan.
to stop it from slipping apart. You should be able to check your knot now just by gently pulling those beads
Yung
over.
ganun
Oo,
ay.
oo, dahan-dahan po.
Secure it and stay in place. If you're happy with it, then you can cut your tails nice and short. And then I place some hypo cement jewelry glue onto the knot. And then slide my little feature bead over the knot to keep it hidden. And there's your best knot for using a thicker elastic cord. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way of tying, pulling it out from both. Nice little twist there. Now we're doing the opposite, so this time we lay the right side cord on top of the left, and then bring this top cord around the left side 2 times to make another twist for this top half of the knot. So you should have 2 twists, one on the top and one on the bottom.
Napano ka ba kasi? Ha?
Pinapun ko din.
Hindi, napano ka ba? At ba't natumba ka? Ha?
Hindi ko po alam. Ma'am, yung yung ganun ay, tas gumaganon yun, oh. Ma'am,
Huwag na yun.
ilalagay ko na dito, oh.
Sa ilalim, kunin mo sa ilalim na. Hindi
Ah?
ko maano, nahihilo ako. Ito. Doon sa ilalim.
Yung.
Sa ilalim ng lagayan ng laptop. Ayan.
Ganda. Yung gawa mo ay,
Wait lang po, gagawa po ulit ako. Tali ko nga mabuti. Baka nakagay.
ba't napunta dyan?
Ako, inikot eh.
Gawa pa niya akong bracelet. Ma'am, gawa pa na ako bracelet pala.
Baka matapang. Ah. Tapang naman na. Next time ulit.
Ha?
Next time ulit ikaw gumawa. Tapan mo ka.
Ang galing kong gumawa. Kasya sa akin. Kasya.